Don't forget the Big Bad Cookout August 16. Menu coming soon. As you can see, the thing step up now. We have an ID up and running now, so the thing more professional and official, you know. Yeah man, we have fixed things slowly but surely. It's called out with the scissors. Them they bigger than the case, you know. Them couldn't fit in no case at all. So trying to shape them out so they can fit in the case. Make sure so I use an original ID so we can get the right size.
This is a ID, right? But the one you know is a high D. Right? You get what I say? It's high.
Yeah.
So we have cut it down to the size of the ID. What am I deal with? What am I deal with?
It's called that.
I tell you.
Yeah man. Neat,
That's the
alright?
deal. So when we forget some of them. Up and running. Make sure someone look out for expressive moves, look out for express yourself, look out for your seat at the bar, look out for
Dance along.
dance along.
Yeah man.
All these programs coming to Xpressionzja YouTube channel, people.
Look out for the cookout too.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Make
16
sure for the
August.
cookout, book out.
Yeah man.
August 16th.
So Uno, we are look out. Outside, I like. Shoot out, you know. And a shoot out. Oh, the side. Yeah. And then they're on the ground, man. Channel is there. They say son plug in. Son a beat you. And son run you. Yeah, man, they clean, I like. Blue and white. Everything is bright. Right. Bad check-in, you know. One bitch. That is that. One king. No. One Shan Shan. One Butcher. One Hitmaker. Yeah man, we're there, my people.
Ah, boss.